Dear students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the disconnection approach for the synthesis of pyrrole, furan and thiophene. Now today we are going to discuss with electrophilic substitution. Though the electrophilic substitution is less useful in pyrroles and the furan because they are destroyed by strong acids. However, nitration and Friedel-Crafts acylation can still be carried out under the mild condition. The alpha positions are attached first, or if these positions are blocked, then the beta positions are attacked almost equally as well. As you can see here, this is alpha position, this is beta position. So the previous X is equal to, it may be pyrrole if it is NH, or furan if it is oxygen. So alpha electrophilic substitution will take place. If these two positions, alpha positions, are blocked, then beta position, the electrophilic substitution will be occur at beta position. For example, the bactericide, the nitrofurazone 9 is an imide which has been made from the semicarbazide 10 and aldehyde 11. The nitro group is in an at the alpha position, so CN disconnection leads to a very cheap furan derivative for fural 12. So this carbon nitrogen nitro group will be disconnected and you are having the formation of furfural 12. So this is the furfural, and at the nitration it is again occurring at the alpha position, and the target molecule 9th can be prepared from this synthesis. Nitration of furfural with the salt NO2 and acetate formed the in situ from the nitric acid and acetic anhydride avoids the decomposition of furan ring. Next we are taking the benzofuran and indoles. This is benzofuran and this is the pyrrole ring fused with the benzene is named as indole. Benzofuran 16 on disconnection by the useful method gives a phenolic ester 17 which on further disconnection by the Friedel-Crafts lead to 18, a product not suitable as the carbonyl group in the 17, is a most unhelpful position. If it would have been near the ring 17 would be made by the Friedel-Crafts reaction. You can see here it is the 16 having a alpha position substitute in the furan. The carbon oxygen disconnection will take place giving the OH here and aldehyde here. So fragment of the carbon giving the phenol and this chloroketone 18. Since the carbonyl group in 17 is one atom further away, thus we can use the fragment group analysis. It provides a successful strategy. Thus, if we add a carbonyl group to 16, we get the enone 19. With the help of alpha beta disconnection too, here 16 is this, and we are having the fragment group analysis. The CO group will be here, alpha beta group will be cleaved. This is alpha beta. You will having the aldehyde, ether linkase and ketone, and the chloroaldehyde, and the hydroxy benzaldehyde is used as a precursor 20, which finally lead to the salicylaldehyde 21 and chloroacetone 22 as the available starting material synthesis of the 19. So at the 21, this is the 21 aldehyde, salicylaldehyde, and this chloroaldehyde in presence of potassium carbonate giving 20, in basic medium giving 19, and with the hydrazine and KOH glycol giving the target molecule 16. In the direct removal of carbonyl group, if the direct removal of carbonyl group is done by using the Wolff-Kishner method used under the acidic condition, the carbonyl group cannot be removed as it will decompose the furan ring. So this way we can making the use of Wolff-Kishner reaction, and we can prepare a substituted furan derivative. So today we have discussed about the electrophilic substitution reaction and the benzofuran preparation. In the next lecture we will deal with the indole and the formation of indole ring by the disconnection and Fischer-Indole synthesis, which is the main reaction. Thank you.